It's such a... Sorry about that. It's such a beautiful day. I know, sweetie. I know. Yeah, it is, but I want to play video games. Oh, yeah. You need to spend time with your little sister. I'm not spending a whole day with her. Hey, don't be mean to your little sister. I'll kick you with my shoes. Yeah. Ow! I'll kick you with my dirty slippers. Hi-ya! Ow! That really hurt. Now, don't fight. Man, storms are moving in quick. Yeah. Anyways, Hey, my video game thing. I gotta beat my high score. Don't kick your mother. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go play with my friends. Yeah, go. Good luck with those old BCs. Okay. Oh yeah, because we're kind of a poor family. Hey, I'm a businessman. You only make like $25. Fuck, we do. Yeah, I'm gonna play with my little friend. Little friends, those ain't about giant. Don't say my friends are fat ever again. Don't know why he keeps, bruh. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye. I thought they were your neighbors. Yeah, they are. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot it's raining. Yeah, I feel like a 4-year-old toddler. No, I'm not. Oh yeah, I am. I'm in kindergarten. Yes, I am 4 years old. We are seeing a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the east side of Red Street, Norway. I mean, not Norway. In Kansas, Greensburg. Wait a minute. It said Kansas, Greensburg. That's where we live. Yeah. Oh no. Guys, let's go to the basement. Okay. Only 3 people can fit. I'll go find somewhere else. Ow, my shoes. My feet. Okay, Grammy, I'm gonna go in mine. Grammy, where am I going? Dun, 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 dun. I love you, family. I gotta go somewhere else. I gotta break the glass. Oh, ow! A lot of things are falling apart. Oh my goodness, the wind speeds are gonna be super strong. What the heck is that? No! This muscle too strong. No, the wind speeds are so strong. Oh my goodness, our whole family's gone. 25 years after the accident. Phew. Man, I miss my mom. If she was alive, she would have been like 85. But she died because of that stupid EF5 tornado. We are spotting a large and extremely dangerous EF5 tornado. Could be possibly rated EF6. What? EF6? Heck no. I gotta get out of here. It's too important. Ow! Come on, no, I just got. We are spawning at 2 tornadoes that just collided and are going towards Red Oakenheim and and it was in here it comes. Oh man. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I gotta get out of here! Oh my goodness! Ow! We are the world. Oh my goodness! I'm at $5,000 for the house.